How to forward an email to Gmail, Yahoo, or other mail service providers. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the email section and click the forwarders. Now click the Add Forwarder button. If you wish to forward all the emails sent to myemail@example.com to another email address, enter my email here. In case you have multiple domains, click to open the drop-down list and select the desired domain. Then enter the address or multiple addresses separated by commas. All the emails are forwarded to this address. In case you wish to discard emails, click on this option button to discard and send an error message. Type the error or failure message that will be sent to the sender in this text box. We will learn about advanced options later in this video. Now click the Add Forwarder button. That's it. We have successfully added the forwarder. Let's learn to forward emails to an email pipe script such as myemailpipe.php, which is located in your public HTML folder. Click the Go Back option. Now click the Add Forwarder button. Enter the address and select the domain of the email account whose emails you want to forward to an email pipe script. Click the Advanced options. Click to select Pipe to a Program option button. Now enter the full path of your custom email pipe script such as home/username/public_html/myemailpipe.php. Click the Add Forwarder button. That's it. We have successfully added the forwarder. Here you can see the list of forwarded email addresses. Thank you for watching.